Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get started on Steam. Beginner's Guide. Getting started on PC gaming is easier when you use the Steam, one of the most popular platforms for buying and playing games. It allows you to download games, connect with friends, and manage your game library in one place. In this beginner's guide, you'll learn how to set up and start using Steam on your Windows computer. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet connection. Open a web browser such as Chrome or Edge browser. Go to the official Steam website. Click Install Steam on the homepage. Download the Steam installer to your computer by opening or clicking the downloaded installer file. Follow the installation instructions to successfully install the Steam. Once done, launch the Steam application after installation. Click Create a new account if you don't have one. Enter your email address and confirm your email. Provide your country of residence, then check this option. Now scroll down further, then click on this that says you're 13 years old and click Continue. Verify your email through the confirmation message sent to you and continue to provide passwords, etc. Log into your Steam account. Browse the store to find games you want to play. Click Add to Library, then go to your library. Click on the game and click Install to download and start playing. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.